Hi, I'm Jim Hendricks with Boating Magazine. Marine engine cutoff switches are a critical safety item. They stop the boat if the skipper takes a spill or goes overboard. They're also required by the U.S. Coast Guard for boats of 26 feet or less in length. Most engine cutoff switches use simple safety stop lanyards that you can hook to a belt loop or life jacket. Should the operator fall overboard, the lanyard disconnects from the switch and the engine stops. Over the years, an original engine cutoff switch can fail, sometimes due to corrosion, leaving you unable to start the engine. Fortunately, lanyard-style switches are easy to replace, and Sierra offers various models to suit just about any retrofit project. When purchasing replacement parts, make sure they carry a strong factory warranty. Sierra parts, for example, carry a limited lifetime customer satisfaction warranty. If a product fails to comply with the warranty, Sierra will repair or replace the defective product free of charge. If you don't feel comfortable with do-it-yourself projects on your boat, seek out the help of a local marine service shop. Okay, for the rest of you DIYers, let's get started. First, uninstall the old engine cutoff switch and disconnect the two wires from the switch. Take your old engine cutoff switch to your Sierra dealer and he can help you select the right one for your motor. Also, he can tell you which wires to hook up for your boat and motor combination. You'll need 2 of the 4 terminals or wires on the back of the Sierra switch to connect to the 2 wires from the old switch. Your Sierra dealer can help you determine where to connect the wires, depending on the marine engine brand and model. You may need to crimp on new terminal connectors to wire up your new engine cutoff switch. Install the new switch where you remove the old one and plug in the wires behind the dash. Start your engine, then pull the safety stop lanyard to make sure your new engine cutoff switch works. Reattach the lanyard. Now you're ready for a fun, safe, and Coast Guard compliant day on the water. For Boating Magazine, I'm Jim Hendricks.